What do you mean by the word I? I myself, your personality, your ego, what is it? Well, first of all, obviously, it's your image of yourself. It's composed of what people have told you about yourself, who you are, how they've reacted to you and given you an impression that that's the sort of person you are. But it's an image, it's an idea, because if you see yourselves in the correct way, you are all as much extraordinary phenomena of nature. There's nothing wrong with you at all. You have to regard yourself as a cloud in the flesh, because you see, clouds never make mistakes. Did you ever see a cloud that was misshapen? Did you ever see a badly designed wave? No, they always do the right thing. Now, so as a matter of fact do we, because we are natural beings just like clouds and waves. Only we have complicated games which cause us to doubt ourselves. And through that realization, you will come to the point where you begin to be on good terms with your own being and to be able to trust your own brain.